my phone, babe.
What?
Dapper Cicada
Calling you?
I mobile ordered a drink.
So they're FaceTiming you? Who is this?
Appaloosa! Grant me, finally, the audience of your attention!
Kendrick just opened his mouth, and I'm about to put my dick in it right now. And I put it in his ass. Now he running but naked all over my house. I'm about to make him gay tonight. Back shots with both of my hands in his mouth. I know that he want it for real. Good sex with purple socks on my couch. I treat him just like all my hoes. Bust it, make him spit it out of their mouth. 100 rats to make him stay. Or whatever it takes to make you stick around. I'm losing perspective on me. I gotta show you how to